Ever wondered how to make that perfect cross V-neck like the ones you see in boutique clothes? Let me show you the fastest and easiest way. We're super neat, super pro. First, lay your 2 ribbed collar pieces on the front part of the shirt. At the V intersection, draw a straight line down. That's your center point. Then stitch the 2 pieces together just to hold them in place. When you reach the corner, make sure your stitch hits that vertical line. That's how you keep the center nice and even. Now, attach the collar to the main piece. Since the rib fabric is stretchy, cut it a little shorter than the shirt piece so the collar won't flip out later. When sewing the V-point, the needle has to land exactly on that center spot. Then clip a tiny notch there. That's super important. Otherwise your V-neck will end up crooked. Keep sewing up the other side. Lock the seam from the inside and from the outside. Top stitch about 0.6 cm for a clean, professional finish. I share sewing tips like this every day, so if you like this one, hit that for some love. And boom, your pretty cross V-neck is done. So easy, right?